How's it going, guys? I'm getting a lot of people that want me to do a video on VHAI. I played this one way back, and I'll show you guys where I liked it, why I played it, and all that. But yeah, let's go over the system. There's lots of penny stocks to take. The whole penny market has just been very, oversold. Things have been on, extreme levels that we didn't think they would go to. VHAI is at 4 cents. I remember this one way back here. When we look at the daily chart, it's outrageous here. I mean, $5.88. And this is just the typical thing, for pennies. You see them IPO, and then they come out like this, and they just keep going. The reason why I like this one way back, I believe it was rated way back in this area here due to the fact that, one, we haven't touched the EMA 20 in a very, very long time. And when you don't touch the EMA 20 in a very long time, what you see is you get that move up to the EMA 20. And that's really what this blue band here it is when you hit that up here. So you had this nice big move up here. And then what happens is algos can do whatever they want. They can go up or down. And what happened is most of the time penny stocks drop at that middle band. So what happened here is we go back up again and we drop. But this right here was the areas that I liked it because, one, we always get price below the EMA 5. We look for time distance of the EMA 10. And if you look at this, obviously it's going to be more extreme in the beginning stages. So what we had is we had this massive EMA 10 time distance right here at 325. Anything that don't touch in 1 month is really long, but you don't just take it based on, oh, it's just too long, I'm going to get in on it. No. What you have to do is you have to wait for some other things like, are we at a low K? If we're not at the ATR4, this lower band here, then I'm just really picky. You have to look at a trend channel, first of all, if you're not at it, and kind of see where we at with this area. And that's kind of how you can see, like right in here, you hit these lower trend channels, and you can clearly see these are your support areas where you can get these nice bounces. VHAI is a very, very, it's a very oversold stock here. I mean, we're at 4 cents. The last time I played it, we were at, 11 cents, and we pumped all the way up to 20 cents, made a 100% move. Obviously, I'm not going to say I can ever collect all those moves all the time. I'm always looking for conservative gains. But it's more like, what is the percent, what is the thing that this thing can go up to? So here's VHI. This is their EMA 20. So if you want to look for a price target, your most, it's not even the most conservative because this is going to fluctuate. The longer term target, in my opinion, is only 0.564. 0.440, and we had to do we had to see what kind of percentage is this even worth it. 0.044, and that's if we bought it right now, and the EMA 20 is at 0.056. So 0.056. You're looking at a 27% increase to the EMA 20. In my opinion, I do tend to look for at least 50% and more to the EMA 20. That's just me. If there's not enough wiggle room up to this, then it's just not my type of trade. Pre-market, we're up, quite a bit here. And you can kind of see here, we tried. And the algos know where this EMA 20 is. We tried to hit this right here. Right here at the 0.5 cent area, it tries to get there, and it plummets back down. It's just, these are going to be your very good resistance ones. Can they go way above it? Absolutely. It's totally fine if it does. Nothing's perfect in trading where it's got to do this, this, and that. As you can see, we hit the 20, though, and we go plummeting down. And we've seen that many, many times with VHAI. 20 down, and it just happens religiously. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at here, guys. We have the EMA 20, and we have the EMA 10. EMA 5. You want to always buy below the EMA 5 at least. We are not at this ATR 4, which I see plenty of stocks at. So if we're not at this area, then we need to reevaluate and look at other things here. So if we're not there, we need to see, okay, is the K on the KDJ low? Not really for penny stocks. It's at a 14. Well, what is the trend channel showing us? And you can kind of see a more realistic trend of, okay, if you look at the highs to the lows, we can very clearly see that we are getting support at these areas here. You can get these little minor dumps, pumps right here, 10, 15%. Right in here, you get a nice little pump here as you get from a low of 4.4 cents, and that was about a 30% move. Right in here, you kind of like got a little pump, and that's really all I can really see. Once you're below the EMA 5, you look for the trend channel bounce. And your targets are going to be the EMA 5 and 10. As you can see right in here, you perfectly touch the 10 and it acts as resistance. Because we haven't touched, we touched all the bands right in here. So now we go through the cycle of time distance. When's the last time we hit it? Well, here we go. EMA 10 here, refresh it. Now we haven't hit it in 4 days. And that's really the cycle of the madness, especially with the reversions to the mean and trend reversals. You don't want to just buy randomly when it's way up in here thinking, oh, VHAI is moving, everyone's excited, hopium's there, and then people probably backhold at this thing way at the 10 to 12 cent region just for it to come back down, and now it's at 4 cents. Me personally, if it's below 10 cents, I will have to see a reverse split, get it back, get that over with, and then look to get in. Because, like I said, there's always a setup to trade, so it's just like, what setup do you want to get in, and all that good stuff, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is just my analysis on VHAI. You can join my premium Discord if you want to know the trades I'm personally getting in, or the trades that I personally like. It's a very nice system. I think everyone can do it. A lot of people are in it, thousands of members, because it's a very, there's no guesswork. It's, do you follow the system? Here's the accumulation rules that I posted. I posted in the swing trading education. You can watch on how to properly accumulate reversals, because swing trading is honestly just that. You accumulate the dips and you sell the rips. You have the price targets, which are your EMAs. You're using your ATR4 band here. If you're not using this, then you have to do what exactly I said how to do it. Your trend channel, and then look for those price targets. And that's really about it. EMA 20, not too much distance for me, so it's not really the best solid trade for me and my journey. So hope you guys, if you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments in the description. I'll pin it. It'll say join the premium Discord. If you join, going over to the server shop, and I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro. We have swing trading and day and swing trading plus. The day and swing trading plus is only $12 a month, and you'll get access to all my alerts, day trade alerts, swing trade alerts. And the day trading is honestly one of my most favorite services. That's why I'm recommending it. You don't have to have large amounts of money. You can go in with $200, $500 and still make decent returns, making 10 to 20% gains every trade. And that's just the high value of that service. And you risk less and you get out within minutes. That's day trading is just awesome. Whereas swing trading, you kind of have to understand there's risk outside trading hours. You have to understand, you can't control everything. That's why you have to accumulate properly and take only the A+ setups. All right, guys, so $12 a month. Do subscribe on my computer. It will avoid the iOS fee, and I would love to have you guys in it. We're going to do RTK live streams. I do live streams for you guys. My journal, you can see my actual trades I'm in, my wins and losses, and all the alerts will be posted like right in here. Day trade alerts, swing trade alerts, and all that, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. This is just my quick analysis on VHAI. I hope everyone makes money. I never want people to lose money. But as always, guys, take the A+ setups, and I'll see you guys in the Discord chat.